How you doing, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about GreenWorks. GreenWorks pressure washers. A lot of you are having problems with the pressure washer not coming on. Well, I'm going to let you know what your culprit is in just a minute. If you're plugging up the GreenWorks pressure washer and you're not getting any power, whether it be the 1700 or the 1800 or the small portable 1800 or the big one, the 2100. If you're having these problems and you can't turn on the GreenWorks, I'm going to show you pretty much what's your problem. A lot of times we're thinking it's somewhere inside of the motor. Maybe it has been burnt up or some other mechanism inside of the GreenWorks. But since I've been working on these things here, I found out that 90% of the time, this is your problem. Even though it may be green and saying that it's good, this is most of the time been the problem why this GreenWorks or this one or that one doesn't work. So you need to replace this. You can fix it. You can go inside of it and try to reset it, but I found it easier to just replace it. And automatically it starts working again. And then if it ever goes out again, probably will be this again. I don't know why these things are faulty like that, but they are, especially in the GreenWorks brand. So I hope this helped you, YouTube, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.